So you might be in this crazy situation where for some reason you have this display over other apps option that basically comes up here. Now, this is a very interesting thing because if you're trying to go and fix this, it can be a really easy fix. So all you want to do is remember the name of that application that you're trying to go through and make sure you have that privilege on. So what you want to do is you want to make your way over to your settings application. So find the settings app and you'll come into this page. Now, what you want to do is you want to find your application manager on your Android phone. So it should say something just like apps or something like that. So tap on that, and then this page will come up. Now, what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on the little option that says Special App Access. So it can say Special App Access. It can also say something like it can just be a gear icon or something like that. So find the option where it gives you more, app access, options. And then what you want to do is there should be a small little option right here that says display over other apps. If you see that, what you want to do is you want to tap on that. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and basically scroll over until you find the name of that application. So find the name of that app. Let's say it was Facebook or something like that. Well, what I want to do is I want to tap on Facebook, right? And I want to go ahead and enable this option. So enable it just like this. And now Facebook or whatever app you were using will have this privilege, will have the ability of basically displaying over other applications. And that's basically all you're going to have to do. So now you can go through, find another application that you want to, go ahead and tap on it, accept it, turn it on, and you can just keep doing this over and over and over again. And that's basically how it's done. It's a super basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.